Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of RT. So first derivative of 3 cosine t, we have negative number 3 sine t. This one we have number 3 cosine t. This one we have number 1. Now we put this one go inside this formula in here, and that should be like this. The integration from a to b, that's it, from 0 to 2b. And we have the square root. So I will put this one negative number 3 sine t with the power number 2. And we have 3 cosine t with the power number 2. Number 1 with the power number 2. So for this one we have number 9 sine t square with number 9 cosine t square, and we have number 1. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. This one we know that equals to number 1, so we can put like this. Nine and number 1 we have number 10. And now we have the final answer. So we put 2b cone here and number 0 cone here. And now we need to select about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.